Right, so we're finally in Moab at Sun Outdoors campsite right downtown. I think the best thing about this site is the trees and the pool. Especially because I think it's gonna be about 107, 108 today. Got some nice shade here, which is like, whew, man, something you got to be thankful for around here. We're gonna go take a little bike ride around downtown Moab. Oh, there he is. Just gonna have a good time, especially since my boy right here rolled his ankle walking out of the camper today like a grandpa. Push me. Guys ready? Look at those rocks, baby. All right, watch out, guys. Traffic, all right? Downtown Moab. You guys know your hand signals?
Yeah.
Nice. Whoa, dude, nice. Oh! It is world famous. See? World famous. Cafe Italiano. Look at McStiff's Plaza. Look at that sculpture. Here, bike. Look at that beast. Holy cow. I want to take a ride on that thing. Be real respectful of pedestrians, okay? Handmade with love every day. Oh boy, passing without a call. Need some GoPro parts right there. Get misted, brah. I think it just evaporates as soon as it comes out. This looks cool. Stair set of doom. It's pretty steep. We're skipping that, sorry. Sorry for the lack of action, but we don't got helmets on. How you doing? Hey, howdy there, partner. Oh my God, a pump track right in front of you. Gonna do a skinny. Maybe not. First thing up. Woo! Morning.
Oh yeah, there's a lot you haven't seen. It'll blow your mind. Well, they cut me over 3 times. I got my spleen, my appendix, my gallbladder, tubes inside of my ribs for pneumonia, hernia. Both my shoulders are messed up. I had the car rolled 6 times end over end at 65, 75 miles an hour outside of Rock Springs, Wyoming, going to a new job working on a railroad. And I woke up in Utah a little over a year later when I come out of the coma.
Wow.
You wouldn't know it by looking at me, but
Jeez.
I'm glad you're here, man.
oh, I'm
Take
still
care.
around for a purpose. Hey, hope y'all have a great day.
All right, you too, man. Very cool. Dude, are you a bike fiend?
Yo, eat vegetables, brush teeth, and ride.
Oh, there you go.
There you go, Clay. That's your mantra, bro. GK. Generosity and kindness. Yeah, otherwise I'll ram you. Hey! I love you, man. I love you. Yo, dudes, what's up? In the mist.
What's up, misty people?
What's up? Yo, we're at Cafe Italiano. Smashing down some smoothies and iced espresso. Getting all jacked before our trip to Arches.
Getting jacked.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are in Arches National Park. Bonjour. at the gate here. Not a long line. Kind of wondering if we should have came back when it wasn't so hot, like in the evening. Just found out that if you come in after 5, you do not need a reservation, and it'd be a heck of a lot cooler and probably smaller crowds. I don't know what we're doing, but most cars are driving up here. You can see them way up there. Not really sure I want to take this big rig up on that. So we'll have to see what happens.